Medical billing denials are a constant challenge, but not all denials are created equal. Understanding different denial categories is key to preventing revenue loss and keeping your claims on track. Today, we're going to break down the most common denial code categories, what causes them, and most importantly, how to fix them. Coverage and eligibility denials happen when a patient's insurance is inactive, expired, or doesn't cover the service. Common codes in this category include CO1, CO26, CO27, CO151, PR31, PR252, and PR272. To prevent these denials, always verify patient eligibility before services. Use payer portals or real-time eligibility tools to ensure active coverage. Double-check policy details like the patient's name, date of birth, and policy number to prevent clerical errors. If the patient has multiple insurers, confirm coordination of benefits so the correct payer is billed. If no coverage exists, discuss self-pay options with the patient upfront. Duplicate and already paid claims occur when the same claim is submitted more than once or when a service has already been paid under another claim. These are flagged with CO18, PI18, OA23, and PI29. Before resubmitting a claim, check its history to confirm it hasn't already been processed. If a service was legitimately repeated, apply the correct modifiers such as 76 or 59. If the denial was due to a processing error, request a review from the payer and ensure all corrections are made before resubmitting. Coding and documentation errors are another major cause of denials. These occur when a claim includes missing, incorrect, or incompatible codes, such as invalid modifiers or diagnosis mismatches. Common denial codes include CO4, CO6, CO9, CO16, CO55, CO252, PR55, and PI11. To avoid these denials, always review CPT, HCPCS, and ICD-10 codes before submission. Ensure that modifiers correctly describe the service performed. Check clinical documentation to confirm it supports the billed procedure and use claim scrubbing tools to catch potential errors before submission. If denied, appeal with corrected coding and supporting record. Authorization and pre-certification issues occur when a procedure requires pre-authorization but was performed without approval. Common denial codes include CO15, CO50, CO39, CO197, and PR23. To prevent these denials, verify authorization requirements before scheduling procedures. If a procedure was performed without prior approval, check if the payer allows retroactive authorization. In emergency cases, appeal with supporting medical necessity documentation. Always document authorization approvals in the patient's file to avoid future denials. Fee schedule and contractual adjustments happen when the billed amount exceeds the allowable limit. The source is considered bundled or a contractual adjustment applied. Common codes in this category include CO45, CO59, CO97, CO122, and PI45. Handling these denials requires reviewing payer fee schedules to ensure billed amounts match contracted rates. If a service is bundled, using the correct modifiers may help separate it when appropriate. If an adjustment seems incorrect, appeal with documentation proving correct billing. Medical necessity and policy exclusions happen when a payer deems a service unnecessary or considers it experimental or non-covered. Common denial codes in this category include CO167, CO222, CO242, and PR204. To address these denials, review the payer's medical necessity guidelines. If denied, submit an appeal with clinical documentation justifying the medical necessity. If the provider strongly disputes the denial, request a peer-to-peer review to discuss the case directly with the payer. Denial management is all about being proactive. By understanding why claims are denied and ensuring accurate eligibility verification, coding, and documentation, you can reduce denials, speed up payments, and protect revenue. If you're struggling with claim denials, don't just accept them, analyze them, correct them, and fight to get your claims paid. Because every denial that goes unchallenged is revenue left on the table for your organization. If you'd like to learn more about denial management, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.